About 5 years ago, I had some work done on my teeth, and it created a major problem in my sinuses.
When we met Susan, she was desperate for an opinion and a doctor who would help her. When she presented, she only had her front teeth working. She had several opinions. All of the doctors said that they couldn't help her. When she found our office, we provided a solution for her that was very predictable and safe.
When I came to meet Dr. Anderson, I felt like I met someone who knew exactly what she was talking about, very intelligent, and she felt that she could help me. And I went with my instincts.
We regenerated some anatomy that she had lost due to infection over the years. We lifted her sinus, recreated the bone, and were able to place dental implants so she could have a full bite and smile.
Because of Dr. Anderson, I have teeth, and I'm forever grateful to her.
She couldn't be happier. She smiles ear to ear, and she has a full set of teeth.
I would do nothing but recommend anyone I know to her, and I'll just pass the word that she's the best in town.